Okay, Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to learn how to make concentric circles using your compass. In a previous video, we learned how to use a compass. We know that you need to push down really hard on that little gold-colored ring in the middle, and we know that you need your pencil straight up and down in one of the holes along here. So first, if I do that, if I press down really hard here and I put my pencil in there and I'm drawing my circle, I didn't keep it straight, then I've got a nice circle. Now, I think, oh, I've got to make concentric circles. And I guess, and I put that back in the middle and I select a different hole and I go around there. Oh, dang, those aren't concentric. Because it's wider or narrower here and wider over here. Concentric means sharing the same center. Center point. Same center point. Those two circles don't share the same center point. So how do we get it right? Let's go over here a little bit. So I am going to, before I start just randomly making circles, I'm going to make a dot for the middle. And I'm going to, there's a little hole in the middle of that little ring, and I want that dot right in the middle of the hole on that little ring. And then I'm going to push down on this part as much as I can without killing my finger, because it gets a little uncomfortable after a while, but not terrible. And then I can draw my circle, and I can make another circle. And I'm not picking up my finger. Now I could make another circle. I used this dot before, or maybe that dot before. I used that dot before. I could use this dot, but see, that's gonna put those very close together. And if you're painting or coloring or something, it's gonna be really hard to go in that narrow area, unless you're using colored pencils. But pastel and paint, probably not gonna happen. So go at least, I've used that hole, 1, 2, 3, at least 3 holes away. Ooh, that's better. That is going to make a much more comfortable area to paint or color in with pastel or with watercolors or even acrylics. So at least 3 holes from the previous circle, and the more, was it there? The longer you can leave that leave your finger in that spot, the better your concentric circles are going to be. But if class is over and you weren't done making concentric circles, then you can go back, get your dot in the middle. Let's check here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Put your dot in the middle, and then press down again, and at least 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna go 4 away this time. I can still have concentric circles. I can add another concentric circle, and it looks way better than what we did over here. So remember, concentric means sharing the same center point, and that could be any shape, not just circles, but it works particularly well with circles. So thanks for watching.